In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your unfollow list on Facebook. This is really useful if your feed feels a bit empty, or you're not seeing posts from certain friends, pages, or groups anymore. Instead of trying to remember who you might have unfollowed in the past, Facebook has a built-in place where you can see and manage all of them in one list. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. This process is the same idea on both Android and iOS, although some icons might look slightly different depending on your device and app version. Once you're on the main home screen, look for the menu icon. This is usually 3 horizontal lines in the top or bottom corner of the app. Tap on that to open the full menu. This is where Facebook keeps most of the settings and tools that aren't visible on the home feed. In the menu, scroll down until you see the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap it to expand more options, then choose Settings. This will open your main account settings page, where you can control things like your profile, privacy, and what you see in your feed. From here, look for the section related to your feed or newsfeed preferences. Depending on the current layout, you may see something like Feed Settings or Newsfeed Preferences. Tap that. This area controls which posts are prioritized, which you've snoozed, and importantly, which people, pages, and groups you've unfollowed. Inside the feed settings, find the option labeled Reconnect, Unfollowed, or something similar that mentions people and pages you don't see posts from. Tap on that. Now you'll see your unfollow list. This typically shows profile pictures and names of all the friends, pages, and groups that you've chosen to unfollow in the past. You're not removing them as friends here. You've only stopped seeing their posts. If you want to start seeing someone's posts again, simply tap on their name or the follow button next to them. This will follow them back, and their posts will gradually start appearing in your feed again. Take your time and scroll through this list. It can be surprisingly long, especially if you've used the snooze or unfollow options a lot. You can always come back to this section later if you change your mind. That's all you need to do to find and manage your unfollow list on Facebook.